Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what do we have here? This is a Bluetooth floating speaker. Bluetooth from the Psb7 spirit box transmitted into the Bluetooth magnetic speaker. Floating. Right here. Quite spooktacular, right? Does Bluetooth help with ghost transmissions? Let's listen. Are you a ghost? You know, it's been a while. Are you a ghost? Ghost? Do I see angels? Wisconsin. Interesting. That was interesting. Are you an angel? Now the magnetism and the Bluetooth transmission will help with electronic voice phenomena coming through the... It'll help capture... I mean, think about it. A microphone is magnetic. That was radio. That was radio. Now, I do have it set... This is just a regular Psb7. Right? So we're just testing that out. So you're going to get some radio. I mean, some people are like, the Psb7 is fake. People who say that are obviously jealous of the new ideas I'm bringing forth, but you can do this too. Alright, you can get yourself a Bluetooth floating speaker and do your ghost sessions with. Alright. Just introducing new ideas to the ITC community. I mean, if I was to take 100 Psb7s and scan them on 100 stations and record with 100 audio recorders and record the stations and then cross-check what the voices are coming through. I've done that plenty of times. Like an hour's recording, 2 hours, 3 hours. And you compare if the audio out of the radio matches any of the scannings coming through and scan one Psb7. I've done tests, alright? Scientific tests, real tests. The Psb7 is paranormal. You can try that yourself. Get 100 Psb7s, keep them on a certain station, record the audio, have one Psb7 scanning, and then cross-check it. Check it to see if those voices were not on the radio stations. That'll take a lot of time. You have the patience for it? I've done tests like that. So I know the Psb7 spirit box is paranormal. Hello? Back to the session. That's for those commenters that don't know what's really going on with the spirit box. Because a lot of people in the ITC community, like, they see new ideas, they get jealous. You don't have to be jealous. Just do this. Get yourself a magnetic floating speaker, and you can do your sessions with magnetism. Magnetism acts like an EM pump. With the Bluetooth transmissions, gets quite interesting. Now let's do our session. Back to our session. Hello? Are you a ghost? No, I don't have the volume up all the way up. Now, with these magnetic floating devices, look how many scratches I have on the platform. Look at that. Because when you're trying to center it, it'll scratch your device for sure. So I suggest putting like a cloth or foam when you're trying to center it, so it doesn't scratch your device, your platform. Hello? Are you a ghost? Can you speak here? What? A ghost. Are you a ghost? I'm a what? That was weird. Did you guys hear what that ghost said? Are you a ghost? Okay, let's see if we can turn up the volume without it full. Yep, there you go. Let's turn up the volume. It seems to be full volume. Now these things are temperamental. Watch how difficult it is. Yep. Yeah, I'm just gonna set the camera here because it requires two hands.